Hi guys, this is Anamika from Village Story. So the farm tour is right now with me, and come on guys, let's go to Village Story farm. Okay, let's see what is there in Village Story today. So we are doing a virtual farm tour with you guys. So you can see this is Barbados cherries. I'm sure you guys have seen cherry in real life, but see these cherries. These are cherry plants at Village Story. We have here also some. We harvested few cherries day before, and we had lots of cherries. But yeah, this is some cherry plant. This is black guava. I don't know if you have seen black guava, but with the leaf you can make out these are black guavas. These are the green guavas, my favorite. These are green guavas and these are babies. So maybe after the lockdown, few kids, you are invited here to come and harvest these black guavas. Then these are sapotas. You know what is sapota? Chiku. Yes, these are these chikus. Can you see these little chikus here? Yes, this is chikus. We have this chikus. This is star fruit. A very nice star fruit. I will show you some star fruit there. I will take you there. These are amla, gooseberries. It has still not started fruiting, but we have something here. We have something called pomegranate. Absolutely right. These are the flowers of pomegranate. So we have this all over, this Village Story. This section we have provided all the fruit and very healthy neem plant. You know what happens with neem? You any pesticide which comes in the tree or plant, we avoid that. To avoid that, we make neem oil or neem spray, and it is very good for your plant. So if you have some plant which is dying and not doing well, you can spray some neem spray. See, this is again pomegranate. This is the green guava. I will show you some pepper plant today. You should see one pepper plant which I got from Coorg. Yes, these are my pepper plant, and this is silver oak tree. So I have planted this pepper plant which is gonna go up high, and in few months we will have the pepper here. This is our avocado tree. We don't have the fruit in avocado, but soon we will have avocado fruit also. Lemon here, again one cherry plant, and some nice Christmas tree. By December it will be all lit and decorated by you kids. Yeah, so that's a nice turtle. Let's see the turtle. Oh wow, this turtle is quite big. Do you guys remember coming here and taking a picture with the turtle? I think you guys do remember. This is again some chiku plant. Yeah, some sapota. These are some berries. Very interesting, very small plant. But can you see these berries? Yeah, these are berries. I have something very interesting to show. I have two pets, Hazel and Coco, and they stay here. I will make you meet Hazel Coco in a while. Meanwhile, see who's the guest in near to Hazel Coco's house. Yeah, these are the nest. So one birdie comes in the evening and she stays here in this nest. Yeah, so we have also, this is badam almond tree. This is nice badam tree. You can see some flower coming here, but not the fruit so much. We have, can anybody guess where am I going? I am going to show you these baby custard apples. Can you see these baby custard? And the big one. Yes, the big one. Oh, one more hiding here. So you have this custard apple. We have again the badam. We have this very, I'm sure you have this in first step. You remember this? This is called Singapore cherry. It's a big tree, and see how many cherries are on the floor. Can you see? So many red cherries. And we can maybe harvest one. Yes, we can harvest one. And maybe I can taste this for you. Wow, this cherry is very yummy. See, one more cherry here. Maybe we can take this cherry here and we harvest it. Can you see this bitten with some bird or maybe squirrel? But I don't mind. I'll just wash off little bit and I can have this. So this is two cherry plant, very very interesting. Coco, say hi. Say hi, Coco. Hi, hi Hazel. Hello, hello. Hi Hazel. Say hi to kids. Say hi to kids. Say hi. Say hi to kids. Say hi. Hello. Hello Hazel. Why Hazel is so quiet? Hazel, what happened? Hazel, you're not saying hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Boba? Okay. Coco looks excited, very excited and naughty. Look at this, look at this. So this is our cherry plant which I wanted to show you guys. Tree actually, cherry tree. Look at the flower of the cherry tree. How come it is white and the fruit is green, and when it ripens up it becomes red? See? Can you see that? Yeah. And what do we have more in the farm? We have a very interesting space where we do farm to table. Yes kids, we cook our food here. This is very interesting. Once you come here, we will try and we will harvest some food from the farm and we will cook here with wood fire. Can you see some wood here? We'll do some wood fire and do a cooking here. See, some kind of artwork which all you kids have done it when you visited Village Story. See how many people, kids have done some spray paint here. Can you see some lovely looking painting and artwork here? Yes, you are most welcome to come here after the lockdown, and we will take you guys through this journey of cooking your own food from the farm. Nice bougainvillea here. Nice flower plants. Now we are moving towards our farm, which we call it community farm. What do we do in community farm? All the people, they come together and we farm together. See our sunflower? Because of the evening it is gone down. When the sun is there it is like this, and when the sun is not there it becomes like this. And we have very interesting seeds, and I love sunflower seeds, very very interesting. This is our rainwater harvesting which we have done. This is the bore well which we are charging here. See the water after the rain, it comes here, it goes here, it gets filtered, it gets stored in our on the recharge well, and that's how we get some water. When we don't have water, we depend on this recharge bore well water. See what is this here? Wow, some passion fruits and one out there. Yes, we will collect, and look at the passion fruit, the flower here. Very interesting. So we in Hindi we call it Kaurav and Pandav, because the Pandavas are these 5 petals, can you see, and the Kauravas are all these around, the 100 brothers. Very interesting, the passion fruit flower. Again, lots of bougainvillea. We are walking through the bougainvillea and we are going to our farm now. So we can show you some kind of vegetables, some greens. Mostly Village Story does greens. We grow greens. But we have some brinjal. What do we see here? Brinjal. One more brinjal. This is the brinjal plantation. This is a banana plant. You can see the banana here. Yeah. And I will show you dragon fruit. I don't know if you guys are interested to see, but this is very interesting plant called dragon fruit. Can you see this cactus kind of thing? One here also. These are called dragon fruit. Oh, I am very interested in dragon fruit. I am waiting from last 1 year, and it takes some 4 to 5 years to dragon fruit to come. These are your eggplant. Yeah. And look at our farm, this pretty looking farm here. So we invite people to come and take a plot here. You know, we name the plot, like for example, something like this. What is the name of the plot? Salad bar. So we have these plots here. Yeah, you can come and take your plot and grow your vegetables, grow your greens. Mostly people like to grow their greens, but we also encourage them if they want to come and do your, see, we have just done up this plot and we have put some seeds and some compost, and we have put some new soil. It looks so nice. This is some wheat grass. This is some amaranthus. Oh, what do we have here? We have some chilies. Can you see that? Some chilies here. These are some amaranthus. These are some spinach. The palak. I'm sure you guys love palak. Yeah, these are some fennel. Very, very beautiful looking fennel. I'm sure after the dinner, when you go to a restaurant, you get something like this. Yeah, these are saunf. You eat, this is like after, this is very good for digestion. So you can maybe pluck few and see this. These are saunf, fresh saunf. And you can have it. And it's very, very crunchy. When you make a tea out of it, that also time it's very, very crunchy. Now I'm taking you to some herb place and maybe some flowers. I would like to show some flowers. And Coco is following very nicely. Oh, what do we have here? Ah, some bees are here. And how the bees are here? Because we have lots of flora and fauna. See, can you see these bees? So they are making some honeys here. Lots of honey. Some curry patta, some lemongrass. Wow, smells so divine. Some basil, some rosemary. Can you see? Ask your mom and dad to put some rosemary in your food and you would love it. I will also show you some haldi, some turmeric. This is the turmeric plant and the turmeric is inside. Can you see this turmeric? Can you see this? Yes, kids. These are nice, very, very healthy immunity booster turmeric. I'm going to harvest today and take it home because of this COVID which is going on. I believe the turmeric is really, really beneficial. And I'm going to show you some dill. I'm going to show you this passion fruit. And look at this passion fruit. It's like bulbs of passion fruit. So many. Can you see this? Can you count? Yeah, can you count, kids? Just going all the way up. So many passion fruits hanging from everywhere. Can you see this? Interesting. Can you see how many passion fruits we have? Looks like a Diwali lantern, right? Nice bulbs, which you have it in your Diwali festival. And now I'm going to show you something very interesting, which is so after this farming, where do we get our compost from? We get our compost from here. We generate our own compost. We do a lot of microgreens. And whatever compost we get, see, we generate our compost. Can you see? We are putting all the compost, after the microgreen, it is not, we don't reuse this, but we put it for composting. So nice looking compost comes. See, so black. So we always suggest people to do your own composting. Very, very important to generate your own compost from your farm. We have some nice looking papayas here. Nice green papayas, big papayas, small papayas, baby papayas. Some mango plant here. Some baby papaya here. Can you see baby papaya? Yeah. Now I will take you to a place where we do our microgreen production. I will just show you guys. So these are our microgreens. Can you see? Last time also I showed in first step different class. These are small microgreens. These are the first true leaves which comes out of the plant. And these are called microgreens. Very, very nutritional. This Didi is harvesting microgreens right now. Didi, show how you are cutting. Wow. And she is weighing the microgreens. These are the pea shoots. Can you see? These are pea shoots. She's cutting these pea shoots. And she's weighing these pea shoots. And we are packing. It is going to the shop. And after the cutting is done, this is going for composting. Okay. I will take you through the whole production of microgreen at Village Story. As you can see, these all trays are microgreen trays. So much of microgreens are growing, guys. You can come and eat your microgreens. You can order. You can tell your mom, dad, you can grow at home. We can teach you how to grow at home. and also we can give you some kit if you want. Otherwise you can take from here. I hope that you all are growing microgreens. Last time I have given the green session where I was showing how to grow your microgreens. So maybe you can learn from here and you can start growing your own microgreens. So it is very interesting, very therapeutic, very tasteful. When you eat with your salad, when you eat with your sandwich, anything, that's interesting. See these bottles, a lot of kids, they come to Village Story, these are recycled bottles which has been painted. And the maize, can you see these maize? These maize we harvested from the farm and we have decorated the bottles. So maybe when you have time, you can ask your parents to give you some bottles and some pot. You can paint it and decorate your house like this. Also see, we have some traditional game here. It's called Pittu. It's a 7-stone game. So you put the stone on top of each other and at the end you put this red stone and we say Pittu. So it's a very traditional game which we play at Village Story. We have some lemon plant here. Yes, your favorite trampoline I can see, but due to rain the net has fallen. This is wood apple tree. This is a wood apple. Please show you, no fruits are there, but a lot of thorns are here. Very, very thorny, but nice looking. I wanted to show you the star fruit. Very interesting, this space which we have given for kids to play. We have nice big place. See our star fruit here. Aha! Interesting looking star fruit. Let it grow and you guys can, oh, baby star fruit. So let it grow, you guys can come and harvest. Okay. So this is Village Story, the whole farm where we have the fruit